Hey guys, what is up? It's Ash the Cat, and today I'm installing the Sea Light ambient light strips sent to me by Suncent Auto. They actually plug right into your cigarette lighter, and check this out. Look at this. They go to the sound of my voice. Isn't that crazy? Like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be talking up in my car and just having a disco going on. First, I'm going to clean the area where I'm sticking the lights just to make sure that I get any dust off there and dry it really well so the light sticks. There's tape on the back that's super sticky to ensure that the lights don't fall off. It's really easy to install. This took me less than 30 minutes. You're just going to peel the backing off the light, and I just went underneath the steering wheel just to ensure that I'm putting it even the way that I want it. I do have plastic underneath there, so it's really easy to stick. And then I want a clean look, so here's me hiding the wire. I'm just looking for the best place to put it so I don't hit it with my feet while I'm shifting. And as you can see, I'm just tucking it, using my finger and pushing it underneath the plastic siding on my car. And that was surprisingly really easy. It went in there with little to no effort, and it made it a really clean look. Now we're gonna move on to the back seat. So under my seats, my driver and my passenger seat, it's like felt. So the Sea Light ambient light strips do come with Velcro, and what you do is peel the backing off the light like you did before and just add the Velcro on there, and this stuff is sticking. Like this Velcro, it's not going anywhere, and if you need to pull it off and remove it, you can, but you'll see how tight it's actually on there with the Velcro. So I, again, looked for the perfect spot to do it and just stuck it on there, and boom, you're done. Now we can move on to the other side of the car in the passenger seat. So you'll see another wire under my floor mat. That's for my dash cam. And then I'm also going to be trying to hide the wire and make it clean on this side. But again, we're doing the same thing. Peel off the backing. It's plastic right there in the passenger seat, just sticking it out of view. And I want to stick these on before I hide the wire, just to make sure that I have enough room to pull the wire where I need to be. And then again, we're using the Velcro attachment on the passenger seat in the back seat. And now we can go ahead and hide that wire. Same thing on driver's side, just tucking it in, that siding right there. And it was not difficult at all. It went right in and it made it look so good, you guys. So after this, I went back into the driver's seat, and it comes with a little controller attached to the lights, so you can click on and off, you can make them strobe, they can go with the sound of music, your voice. And I was trying to figure out where I wanted this. I thought about putting it on the Velcro on the passenger side, so it would be easy for me to reach over. I almost put it on the driver's side, but I didn't like how it looked with the wiring. So as you can see there, I put a piece of felt and 3M tape on the back of that controller, and now it sits and it's very easy for me to reach. Again, you guys, I'm only gonna be using these lights at night while I'm driving. It's not gonna be a, during the day type thing. And you can see kind of where I hid the rest of the wire. I did lift up my e-brake boot and tuck some of the wiring under there, and it made for a cleaner look. Of course, you're still gonna see some of the wires. I haven't really figured out where to hide the rest of it, but other than that, I love the look. I have my baseball bat there the majority of the time anyway when I play baseball, and it hides a lot of the wiring, but I'm happy with the final outcome of it. I still think it makes the car look clean, and now I have these interior lights at night while I'm driving. I'll show you a clip at the end, and they look amazing. So here are what the lights look like at night. You can see in the back seat and the front seat. It's such a vibe with the red. There's different options. You can have it strobe, flashing, and you can find these available in my TikTok shop by clicking the link in the description. You will not be disappointed, and I'm telling you, if you install these and you're taking a late night cruise, just jamming into some music, it really just sets the mood for you guys, I promise. I felt so cool driving at night with these going off, and you can switch it to any color. There's an app you can put on your phone as well, and like I said, easy installation. Check out these lights from Suncent Auto.